Good morning, dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes. Welcome back to the Deived channel. And this live stream, even though I'm a little bit laggy, we're gonna continue moving forward. Yes, we're gonna talk about the stock market, and we're gonna take a look at the charts for not only your favorite companies, but obviously we're gonna look at some crypto as well. So welcome everyone to today's live stream. We're diving into the markets right after a game-changing report on producer inflation. The S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow futures are on fire thanks to cooler than expected PPI data. And we are here to break down what it all means for your investments, the Federal Reserve's next moves, and the economy overall. Grab your coffee or your trading notebook, because we've got charts, insights, and predictions you don't want to miss. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Let's go. We're going to start with this article here. The S&P, Dow, Nasdaq futures pop after cooler than anticipated producer inflation PPI data. Producer inflation data, bro. This is it. This is what we want to review, guys. It is it. Stock index futures on Tuesday moved sharply higher after the latest producer inflation data came in much softer than expected. S&P futures jumped 0.8% after the December 2024 producer price index PPI report. Nasdaq 100 futures were 1% up, and the Dow futures were 0.4% up. Rates eased back. The 10-year Treasury yield moved back below 4.8%, where it has seen resistance. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics said headline PPI rose 0.2% month over month in December 2024 versus a consensus of 0.4% and November's reading of 0.4%. Even more notably, core PPI was flat month over month, significantly lower than the expected rise of 0.3%. PPI will be worth watching as tariffs develop because trade taxes will increase input cost for U.S. companies. UBS chief economist Paul Donovan said, if tariffs succeed in reducing imports, the loss of competition to U.S. firms may also increase pricing power. While not as influential as Wednesday's Consumer Price Index report, the PPI will likely move Fed expectations. Currently, the market is pricing in a coin flip of the next quarter point cut coming in June or July, and a 1 in 3 chance of no moves at all this year. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know in the chat if you are here with us during the live stream. I want to review some companies like Apple. I want to check out AMD and anything else you guys want me to take a quick look. But before we get to the news, let's go ahead and look at the DXY. So the DXY had a resistance. We haven't broken out of it. We are creating a wick on top of the candle. Not a big candle right now on the weekly. We are losing a bit of strength for the dollar, and it seems like we are breaking some trend lines in the shorter time frame. So I definitely want to keep an eye on the DXY, because if the DXY goes down, then that means that everything else could be going up. But we'll have to wait and find out, guys. Let's see. Maybe it consolidates. Maybe it wants to break higher. We'll have to wait and find out. Okay. The Dow is currently at 39.83, DJI 42,297, the Nasdaq 76.43 pre-market. You can see that we're still in a downtrend, waiting to confirm if this is gonna be the support. So we'll have to wait and find out. IXIC 19,088. And let's take a look at oil. I've been watching oil. I told you guys for a bit that US oil could be going up, and we are definitely above the 200 EMA. We broke a trend line, so definitely want to watch out for US oil. Gold 2,660, retracing a little bit. You can see that the zone didn't let gold go up, so we are creating another zone at about 2,668. Not a lot of movement, but definitely want to watch out. Maybe gold will head back down to around 2,500. I want to keep an eye on that, or maybe retest the 200 EMA. We want to watch out for all of that. And guys, like I said, if you have any comments or company or stock that you want me to review, just let me know right now, my friends. Okay, let's see what else we got over here. Let's take a look at Apple. Expected to hit Q1 estimates, but Q2 guidance likely falls short. Apple is projected to produce first quarter fiscal 2025 financial results in line with market estimates, but KeyBank analysts believe second quarter guidance will fall short of expectations. As a result, KeyBank retains its underweight rating on Apple at a $200 price target. Wow, $200 price target. Apple shares haven't been $200 or less since June 2024. And Apple is at 235 pre-market. And I kind of see the why they're saying 200. Wow, we reached our target, bro. Very, very nice. We didn't break the resistance. So if we go back to 200, that means that KeyBank, $200, $200. We already got $200 here. And that was my target before. So let's add KeyBank now. Just add it. $200 KeyBank. And see how it goes. So let's see what else it says. KeyBank analyzed data from 1.8 million unique credit and debit card customers in the US. The analysis shows spending growth on Apple products was lower in December than past years. December spending on Apple products increased 28% month over month in December. However, the 3-year average calls for 36% growth. December was below trends of a weaker November despite the iPhone 16 launch in September, said KeyBank analysts Brandon Nispel and John Venn in a Tuesday investor note. Year-over-year index spending increased to 7% from 6% in November. We think the data overall appears mixed, where Apple is tracking below historical seasonality, though the year-over-year growth is improving off last year's weak results. Overall, our data tells us we should expect to see below historical average growth in F1 Q25 versus Apple's historical averages. KeyBank notes several reasons for below average sales growth. Apple Intelligence, Apple's AI offering, has failed to spark a widespread upgrade cycle. An iPhone 16 ban in Indonesia combined with headwinds from China due to ever-increasing competition also factor into equation. Apple's premium valuation is unwarranted given Apple's inferior growth, Nispel added, with Apple trading at 22x our 2026 adjusted EBITDA versus the peer average of 15.7x and Apple's 3 average of 20x. Apple appears expensive. Apple plans to reveal its first quarter fiscal 2025 financial results post-market on January 30th. A consensus estimate expects earnings per share of $2.35 on $124.22 billion in revenue. So definitely want to watch out for Apple, guys. I know I got a lot of lines here, but let me remove a few of them. It's just a lot of targets. Got so many targets here from different companies. But for me, the 200 makes sense. And I'm going to tell you why the $200 makes sense to me. Because once we break a resistance, we got to retest it once again. I mean, we kind of did it once, but it shouldn't be bad to retest it once again. And I don't know, 220 will make a little bit more sense to me because of the 50 EMA. But when you look a little bit lower, we get that resistance and definitely could be a great solid support. And then when we get that support, you know what we gotta do? Is just wait. Wait for the trend line to be broken, confirm it, and then you know what can happen next, which is going up. But I definitely want to keep an eye on Apple because there is a lot of talks that Apple is not doing too much, and that is true. Apple hasn't done any innovative products, and I'm a little bit concerned about that because when Steve Jobs had the company, it was the best company. For me, it was one of the best companies out there creating some devices. And right now, it's not there, bro. It's not there. Sad day, but great opportunities. Let me know what you think in the chat room or in the comment section, guys. The next one that I want to review before I get to the charts, there's a lot of things that I want to review, and the market is already open. It's AMD. So AMD in focus as Loop Capital initiates coverage with buy rating, guys. So let me go ahead and get a summary of this article. And the way that I do that, guys, is by going to ChatGPT and getting a short summary of this, guys. This is literally what I do. Give me a short summary so I can share with my live stream. And here it goes, bro. So ChatGPT says AMD in focus. Loop Capital initiates coverage of AMD with a buy rating and $175 price target. So there you go, guys. First things first, Loop Capital giving us a target for AMD. AMD 118, and wow, we get this article right when we hit the 200 exponential moving average. Curious case, huh? So let's go ahead and add that, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove this, but you can see the range that we got above, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a line for this target, which is 175. Loop Capital. This is what I do, guys. I don't even overcomplicate it. So that means that from where we are to Loop Capital's target is 50%, okay, $58. And then it says over here, analyst Gary Mobley highlights AMD's opportunities in AI, GPUs for data centers, and market share expansion in PCs and servers, despite challenges like weak PC sales and Intel's struggles. Key debates include AMD's role in the shift from CPUs to accelerated computing and its ability to gain market share amid evolving tech landscapes. Projections: AMD could take 10% more x86 CPU market share by 2028, grab 20% of the data center GPU market, and achieve $55 to $60 billion in revenue with strong gross margins. Investor sentiment remains cautious, but AMD's positioned for growth in AI and beyond. What's your take on AMD's future? Let me know, guys, but this is it. This is basically what we do in this channel. We review the articles, we share with everybody, and hopefully you'll have a better perspective of when to invest in companies like this. For me, I will wait for a break of a trend line, but it's not a bad price point. I'm gonna be very, very honest about it. Okay? And since it was mentioned, Intel, wow, Intel creating a double bottom, bro. I think Intel, when it breaks this resistance, bro, and this trend line, we should be looking good. There's a great range for Intel, guys. Look at this. From the previous high, which was at $69, to where we are is 259%. That's $50. Similar to the target from AMD. So I definitely want to watch out for both. I definitely like them both. So we got to keep an eye on both, guys, because we already know that chip makers have a great opportunity if we look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is currently at 135. We expected to reach 150. We did it. We pushed back down, and where we are right now is 135, but definitely looking good. Okay, let's see. The Dow 0.4% up today. DJI 0.4%. Look at that. Going back up. The Nasdaq 0.14, creating some bullish candles. but not totally confirmed that we're gonna continue. IXIC 19,250. We're still in an uptrend. No, that's the reality. We're still in an uptrend in all of this. U.S. oil $78. Gold 2,661. I kind of see gold going down a little bit more, bro. But we'll have to wait on. And the reason why is because of the bearish engulfing candle we got. And then Bitcoin 97,155. We got this downward channel. And we retested it and we ignored it. And now we're going up once again. Look at that. So if you're down on Intel, bro, dímelo, Justify. I'm placing buy orders today. First time buying in a while outside of my DCA. Dímelo, what is your what order? What company are you looking for, bro? Bro, let me see Intel real quick before I move forward. So, déjame decirle aquí al pana. Pues estamos en un downtrend. Estamos creando un double bottom. Este double bottom para mí es significativo, but we gotta break this trend line. Once we break the trend line, then we got a lot of targets above. The previous high in the previous administration, it was 69. So that's about 257%, 49. But keep in mind that we gotta break this trend line first before we can do that. Okay, sending that to my friend. He's asking about Intel. But anyways, Bitcoin 97,000. Look at that. Ethereum 3,227. Yesterday we reached 2,900, and we're starting to push a little bit up. Dogecoin 35 cents. Looking good. Dogecoin, bro. Dogecoin you can buy in your favorite platform, Robinhood. I see this as a great opportunity here. Rápido, ¿cuánto llega Intel? Bro, Intel necesita romper el trend line, la línea de tendencia hacia abajo, antes de que suba, pero ya se está formando un double bottom en el weekly, lo cual para mí es sumamente importante. Tenemos que romper ese double bottom, ese trend line, perdón, el trend line. Una vez lo rompa, esto crea un higher low y ahí nos vamos primero para acá, para 49.50. Ese es el primer spot. Y después de eso, si rompemos esta línea de tendencia grande, subimos a 69. ¿Ok? Pero hay que esperar, Ahora mismo me gusta esto que está formándose, porque está haciendo un double bottom y tuvimos una buena noticia de AMD. Y AMD e Intel se llevan a la par. AMD también se ve muy bueno. Ok. Let me look at the other crypto. Cardano 99 cents, looking good, bro. Stuck in a flag, bro. Stuck in a flag. Look at that. Going up already, bro. 2.7%. XRP 2.58. XRP has been surprising me a lot because XRP hasn't been moving. Has been moving up even though it has gone down. I buy a lot of ETFs now. VOO, GBTC. Oh, GBTC, bro, yeah. IEFA, bots, Nvidia, Tesla, Microsoft, Google. I think you're having a good solid portfolio with Nvidia, Tesla, Microsoft, and Google. Those are solid. I see the GBTC is actually good. So since we're talking about crypto, GBTC, Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust. This is looking good, 76. Looking very good, guys. But it really depends on Bitcoin, right? For this one. I see it's a little bit overbought in the monthly, but it's looking good on the weekly right now. Just keep an eye on this, bro, because if we go down, then there's an opportunity here to buy, but really depends on Bitcoin. Downward channel, bro. So we gotta break out of that. And you say VOO, Vanguard, S&P. This is actually good. And this one, oh, bro, we reached our first target here at 532. So there could be, if there's any pullbacks, you already know how it is. Yeah, it's looking good, though. Actually, let me do one over here. Yeah, this definitely can reach higher highs, bro. 630 could definitely be reachable. So want to watch out for that. It's still in an uptrend too. It's looking good, bro. This one doesn't end like this. This is like an uptrend, eternal uptrend since it came out. So definitely want to watch out for that, bro. Let me look at other cryptos that I was watching. Spell token. Oh, creating some support here. Oh, this is looking much better now. Jasmine 0.03. Still at 0.03. Oh, creating some support. That's good. Strong resistance. I'm almost at 0.04. Solana, another one that I'm keeping an eye on, bro, because Solana's community is pretty strong. And then XLM, 42 cents. It's been doing well. This one, I'm making profits with XLM. I don't want it to go too high, too fast, but it's part of it. I like the double bottom we're getting to. Now let's see big movers. CleanSpark 10.74. Rejecting the trend line related to crypto, especially Bitcoin. Nokia up. Nokia still above the 200 EMA in the weekly, looking good to me. Intel, we already talked about it. We gotta break this trend line. This trend line is hasn't broken, but I wanna wait for it. Big movers, big movers. Let's see, Spotify 464 still up. Let me look at let's see, Tesla 420, bro. Let's go. 420 looking good. Great bounce back on the weekly, breaking the trend line, bro. Look at that. Tesla non-stop, bro. Non-stop. Tesla keeps on going, bro. Let me look at JetBlue 771. We called it, guys, at $7. We're doing good as well. Look at that monthly candle, bro. That monthly candle is gonna break above. So this is what we want to see from Intel, by the way. Luis, good morning. Not you, Doobie. You still have BBNFTs? Yes. The OMI token I'm not able to access, bro. For some reason, I'm not able to take it out from BitForex. I got the SMS. I already got KYC'd when I had the opportunity to enter, but I'm not able to get it out because I'm not able to enter my account. But I still got the NFTs, yes. Nano Dimension 2.36. Nano Dimension. Some people don't like this company, but look, it's looking good to me, man. It's gonna be breaking very soon. NIO 417. NIO, bro, this one, I really think it can go up. I got some calls that I'm waiting for it to go up. And this is a good moment to buy, honestly. I want to say if this goes a little bit lower, it will be better. Just to make sure that it's oversold. It's like on sideways on the RSI. So SENS 74 cents. Still up, bro. I like that weekly candle from last week. And I still think we can reach 104. And my call expires on Friday. So guys, pump it. So I can make some profits. TerraWolf is at 560. Look at that trend line rejection. And it seems to me that January 20th, bro, is gonna be the big move, bro. January 20th. Palantir 6780. I see Plug Power 950s, bro. I definitely want to keep an eye on Plug Power too. Seems like we want to break up, bro. Looks to me like he wants to go up. Great area for buys too, bro. We were here once in 2018 and we went up to as high as 70s. Look at that. I don't think I entered on this one in 2018. Maybe I did. Totally forgot about it. But now we're back in this area, so definitely want to watch out for Plug Power, guys. And another big mover. PayPal 85, bro. Want to keep an eye on PayPal too. But yeah, crypto right now, I mean, it's retracing a little bit. It's not that much. And that's it. That's what I wanted to review today, guys. If you have any suggestions, my Bitforex OMI was locked up. When they allowed me to withdraw, I just immediately sold. I have NFTs though. Yeah, I got the NFTs. So I tried to enter Bitforex yesterday, bro. And I'm gonna do it right now, but it says to try a new device, and I tried that, and that didn't work, bro. I've been trying for like, I stopped like for a week, I think, entering my account, but I always get the SMS message, bro. Sadly. I'm trying to get in right now, and I just got the SMS notification, bro. Let's see the meme coins. Pepe coin 0.00001, Bonk 0.00002. We broke this trend line, didn't break the resistance, but hey, looking interesting to me, man. Let's see what happens here, bro. Well, guys, I think I gotta go. I gotta pay attention to my other computer. I got a lot of people sending me messages. But I want to say thank you all for your amazing support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ring the bells. You get notified. We do the videos con mucho, mucho amor. And as always, have a beautiful day. Let's go.